In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Fresha business account, providing a detailed guide to help you seamlessly embark on using this helpful platform for your business needs. Let's dive right in and get your Fresha account up and running. First, you'll want to navigate to the Fresha website by opening your preferred web browser and entering the URL fresha.com. Once the page loads, look for the profile option. This can typically be found in the upper portion of the website, often around the right-hand side if you're using a desktop or laptop. Clicking on Profile is your first step on the path to creating your account. On this page, you'll find an option labeled For Businesses. This is the section dedicated to business accounts, which is exactly where you need to go to get started with Fresha in a professional capacity. Click on For Businesses to advance to the next page that's tailored specifically for business services. This is different from the usual consumer sign-up page. Next, you'll see a sign-up button. This option will direct you to the registration process where you'll set up your credentials for accessing the Fresha business platform. Once clicked, you'll be led to a new page to begin entering your business details and setting up your profile. Now, you'll be prompted to enter your email address. It's important here to use an email that you regularly access and which is linked to your professional activities, ensuring you won't miss any important updates from Fresha. If you'd prefer, you also have the convenient choice of continuing your sign up via popular platforms like Google, Facebook, or Apple. By selecting any of these options, you can sync your existing account details, which can simplify the login process and make managing your account more straightforward in the long run. That's all you need to know to get your Fresha business account set up. The final paperwork and verification steps will follow, but these first few actions are pivotal in successfully establishing your presence on the Fresha platform. Remember, being accurate and thorough when entering your information will smooth the way for setting up your business's professional profile. With these steps followed carefully, your Fresha business account is on the go, ready to help you manage your scheduling, client interactions, and more with ease and efficiency. Feel free to explore the various features available to enhance your business operations. Thank you for following along, and all the best with your new Fresha business account journey.